Hey friends, welcome to Gadget Kada. Today I'm here to show you how to install Dolby Atmos in all your Xiaomi phones. So without further wasting your time, let's get started. Okay guys, to get started I have my Redmi 4 with me today and it is running on the latest version of the Android Nougat. So the process to install Dolby Atmos will be same to all Xiaomi device. And first thing you have to download the Dolby Atmos zip file. I will leave the link in the description, you can download it from there. So now you have to power off your device. Once your device is powered off, you have to enter the recovery mode. So to enter the recovery mode, you have to press and hold the power button and the volume up button. So to do this process, you have to unlock your bootloader first and you have to install the TWRP recovery. For that, I will leave the link in the description for the video so you can watch that and you can continue with this process. So once you are in the TWRP recovery, click on install and select the zip file that you want to install. So just tap on it and then swipe to confirm flash. So once you do that, the zip file will start to install and it will take some few seconds. So just wait patiently until it is completed. So once that is done, you will get an option to reboot your system. Just reboot the system and it will take like at least 1 or 2 minutes for the system to be rebooted. So once the system is rebooted, you will see a new application called Dolby Atmos. So as you can see here, I have already rebooted my system and I can see the application Dolby Atmos that is installed. This is how the Dolby Atmos application looks like. You can turn it on or off using the power button which is on the top right corner. So you can customize all the settings, and for the best experience use the headsets and enjoy the difference. You can use the default music player and turn this on. You will definitely feel the difference. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos.